So it's Plastic Free July, and there are many of us who are talking about single use plastic, single use packaging. And I'm here to show you how, when we get packages online, anything we order from, say, something like Amazon or any e commerce store, there's essentially some kind of plastic that we come. There's cardboard, then there is the sticker that comes from Amazon, then the other plain sticker. And see, this is very tricky because when you try to pull this apart, these materials sort of stick to each other. Some of them tear off. So very important that none of this reaches the landfill, right? Um, so we are here to show you what we do and what we recommend for you to do when you are practicing waste management. So like this parcel that we've received has come with many different materials. So it's got this putty that has come with that. Uh, so I'm just going to unbox this. These are books that we've ordered for a school project on plastic. It says Gila or Sukha. There's a book called Plasto, and another book called Anand, the story of a person who drives the kachra collection truck. This is for children to be sensitive. So we thought this is very apt that we would do a video on what we do with the waste that comes up. So this is another type of plastic that has come. You see, it says 100% biodegradable and recyclable. Check out our video on how we call this as greenwash. But that's yeah, there's a lot of different materials that we get in our packaging. Foam like this. The carton on top has different stickers which our team pulls off. So when you give off a carton like this, our team will essentially pull off all the stickers, send only the cardboard for recycling, send the stickers separately for recycling. The idea is that we connect with our network of recyclers to make sure that whatever you send us actually reaches the final destination. So your duty to segregate and keep it clean transfers to our duty to sending it forward for recycling. So send in your recyclables to us and make sure that we're keeping the planet clean together.
If you like this kind of content, like, share, and subscribe.